If you manage a New York retail chain with over 500 employees, the clock is ticking. By January 1st, 2027, the Retail Worker Safety Act legally requires you to install silent response buttons across your entire footprint. Here is the compliance trap. Legacy 911 panic buttons no longer qualify. The mandate explicitly requires silent buttons that instantly notify internal security without alerting the perpetrator. Failing to comply guarantees massive state penalties. At Cotel Business Solutions, we specialize in RWSA hardware. We seamlessly integrate these mandated silent alarms into your existing camera and communication networks. Don't get stuck in the 2026 installation backlog. Visit Cotel.com for a rapid compliance quote for all your locations today.